Adding a credit card on Coinbase is a straightforward process that allows you to make purchases quickly and securely. Follow these simple steps to link your credit card to your Coinbase account. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Open the Coinbase app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the Settings or Account section. Look for the option labeled Payment Method to add payment method to proceed. Step 3. Select Credit Card option. In the Payment Methods section, choose the option to add a credit card. This will prompt you to enter your credit card details. Step 4. Enter your credit card information. Fill in the required fields with your credit card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sr.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you can easily make transactions on Coinbase using your credit card. Enjoy trading and managing your cryptocurrency with this convenient payment method.